Hello boys and girls, I hope that you are having a lovely day. Now, boys and girls, we are going to start the coloring process of our Georgia O'Keeffe flowers. Now boys and girls, the main part of this picture is you want to make sure it does not look like stripes or your petals do not look like candy corn. We want to make sure it looks blended or kind of like a tie-dye looking pattern. So over here, I'm going to do my warm colors, and over here, I'm going to do my cool colors. Later, we'll work on our pollen and our petal another time. So please stick around, but also look at your worksheet so that way it does not look like candy corn. Now, if you are doing the warm colors, keep on following along. If you're doing cool colors, you may skip the warm color part. Now, for the warm colors, you need a red violet crayon, an orange crayon, and a yellow. Again, we want to make sure it does not look like candy corn. What I mean by candy corn is, here's my red violet. Again, see how I'm coloring in a side to side? Here's my orange, and here's my yellow. See how it looks like stripes? We want to make sure it does not look like stripes. So, what you're first going to do, at the bottom of each petal, again, each, that's the key word, you're going to take your red violet crayon and starting towards the bottom, you are going to make kind of like a zigzag line. Notice that it does not look like perfect triangles. And you're going to just color 1/4 of that petal. And you want to make sure that you are coloring hard. Okay, you're going to do that to the bottom of each of your petals. After that, you are going to take your orange crayon. And you're not going to start at the top right here. You're going to start in the middle of the red violet. Not over here, the middle. And you are going to just color up and down. If you notice that the color is changing over here, you are doing a perfect job. And notice there is no straight line right here, like how it is over on this petal. Then finally, you are going to take your yellow crayon and you're going to start in the middle of that orange. And you're going to bring it all the way to the top. If you notice, you are going to get some type of yellow or some type of orange stripies, and that is perfect. So if you look, if your petal is looking like this, you are doing it wrong. You want to make sure that it looks like tie-dye, and you want to make sure it is going across. And of course, no white spaces. You're going to do this for each of your petal. And again, no, we just don't want to just do, okay, the bottom is red violet, and I'm going to stop over here. No, you're going to pretend that each petal is its own artwork. All right? Now, again, we do not want stripes. We do not want this candy corn looking object. Now we're going to switch off. Again, erasing. So this is your warm side. This is going to be now your cool side. And remember, you can only pick one. If you're doing warm, keep on doing it warm. If you are wanting cool, keep on doing it cool. So you can only do one or the other. Now, we are going to be taking our darkest color, which is our purple. Like the warm one, you're going to start about 1/4 and you're going to press hard. Notice I'm just going up and down. There's no straight lines. I want to make sure there's no white. All right, like I said, you're going to do the bottom of each petal with your purple. After that, you are going to take your blue crayon. You're not going to start on top. You're going to start in the middle of that purple. And you're going to bring that about halfway. If you notice, you will see indigo. If you see some indigo, and you are doing a great job. Then finally, you are going to take a green. You could take your lime green or your regular green, and you're not going to start right here. You're going to start in the middle of that blue. And you're going to bring it up to the top. Again, you're going to look at this like each petal is its own artwork. As you notice, there's no straight lines. The colors are changing. It actually looks like you have at least 5 colors in here. Now, this is what happens if you do it the candy corn way. So, if you just do this, not only does it look sloppy, but there are some white spots there. Again, it's looking like candy corn with those stripes. So again, we want to make sure it looks like this, but not the candy corn. Alright, boys and girls, so take your time doing this. Remember, each petal is going to be almost like its own little artwork. Alright? I can't wait to see your artwork, boys and girls. And we'll work on the leaves and the pollen another time. Because for this project, I am going to be a little bit tough on you on what these petals look like. Alright, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. Thank you.